Hey everyone, welcome to my next video. Today, we are diving into the world of civil engineering to explore a marvel of human ingenuity, the dam. Dam serves a variety of purposes. They create reservoirs of fresh water that is used for industrial and various household purposes. The stored water can be released during the dry seasons to irrigate crops, ensuring food production even at the times of low rainfall. Dam acts like a barrier, holding back excess water during periods of heavy rainfall, thus preventing floods in the downstream communities. But their most important application is the production of hydroelectric power, thus acting as a source of renewable energy. Let's look into the functioning of dam. The dam consists of outlet gates that are used for controlled release of water downstream for various purposes like irrigation, industrial, or for maintaining downstream water levels. They create a reservoir that acts like a giant storage tank, holding back a significant amount of potential energy. The water is then pulled down by the large intakes due to gravity, hence converting the potential energy of the water into kinetic energy. The water then travels through a large pipe known as penstock, thus channeling the water efficiently onto the turbines. The force of the moving water causes the turbine runner to spin rapidly. Hence, the kinetic energy of the water is converted into mechanical and then into electrical energy by the help of generator. During the time of heavy rainfall, when the water level rises, spillway acts like an overflow drain, hence channeling the excess water away from the dam structure, preventing it from being overtopped and potentially failing. There is always a risk of seepage in the dam through the ground, hence special tunnel, also known as drainage gallery, is made inside the dam that collects any seepage water and channels it out to the safe location, preventing it from building up and weakening the dam's foundation.